We're making objects move along a spline. We're going to need a actors array, a offset between characters float, a timeline length, and a distance along spline. At begin play, we are going to set the play rate for a timeline that we've made to 1 divided by our timeline length, and then fire a play timeline custom event. That goes into the timeline play from start. The timeline itself goes from a float value of 0 to 1 in 1 second. The finish pin will hook up to the play timeline custom event, and the update to a for each loop based on the actors. The float output from the timeline is going to go into a loop between 0 and the get spline length. To that, we're going to add a offset of the array index multiplied by the offsets between actors. That will then become our distance along spline. If that is greater than the spline length itself, subtract the spline length from the distance along the spline. Otherwise, go into the set actor location and rotation. For the actual location and rotation, we use the spline get rotation at distance along spline and get location at distance along spline, both set to being worldview.